여러분 안녕하세요. In this video, we will study the grammar pattern 아서, 어서, 해서. This grammar pattern is quite important in EPS topic, so please focus on studying this one. We use 아서, 어서, 해서 after an adjective or after a verb. And 아서, 어서, 해서 express a reason or a cause for an action or a state. So it means because or because so. Now let's practice 아서, 어서, 해서, how we can use it. 아서 is used if the word stem ends in 아 or 오. If the word stem ends in 아 or 오, we add 아서. And also is used if the word stem ends in a vowel other than 아 or 오. So except 아 or 오, we add also after the word stem. And we use 해서 if the verb ends in 하다. We studied 하다 verbs, right? We have lots of 하다 verbs. In that case, we add 해서. Now let's practice one by one. 아서 first. Repeat after me to go. 가다, 가다. 가 is the stem, ends in 아 vowel. So we add 아서. 아서 means because. So repeat after me. 가서. If you add 가 and 아서, that means it should be 가, 아, 서. But if we add 가, 아, 서, this is empty consonant and then there are two 아. So we pronounce only one. So repeat after me. 가서. 가서. It means because I go. The meaning is now quite different, right? 가다 means to go. 가서 means because I go somewhere. Repeat after me. 만나다. 만나다. 만나다 means meet. 만나 is the stem, ends in a vowel. So 아서 is added. So repeat after me. 만나서. 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 Because I meet, it means. Do you know this expression? 만나서 반가워요. Or 만나서 반갑습니다. When Koreans meet for the first time, we usually greet each other. 만나서 반갑습니다. That means I'm happy because I meet you. 만나서. And now let's practice with 좋다. Repeat after me. 좋다. 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 It means good. And 조 ends in O vowel. So 아서 is added. Repeat after me. 좋아서. 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 It means because it's good. 좋아서. Now let's practice 어서. We use 어서 if the stem ends in other than 아 or 오 vowel. So except 아 or 오 vowel, for the rest of the vowels, we add 어서. For example, to eat, 먹다. Repeat after me. 먹다. 먹다. Ends in O vowel here. O vowel, 먹다. So we add 어서. Repeat after me. 먹어서. 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 It means because I eat. 먹어서. One more example. Repeat after me. To read, 읽다. 읽다. 읽다, 읽다. ik ends in e vowel, not a, not o. So 어서 is added. Repeat after me. 읽어서, 읽어서. This final consonant sound shift here because this has no sound. Repeat after me. 읽어서, 읽어서, 읽어서. It means because I read. Now let's practice 해서. We use 해서 if the stem ends in 하다. So 하다 change to 해서. For example, happy, 행복하다, 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 행복하다. 하다 change to 해서 to express the reason. Repeat after me. 행복해서, 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 행복해서. It means because I am happy. 행복해서. There are similar pattern. 피곤하다 ends in 하다. 피곤하다 means tired. tired. 하다 change to 해서. Repeat after me. 피곤해서, 피곤해서, 피곤해서. It means because I'm tired. 피곤해서. Now let's practice 아서, 어서, 해서 in the conversation. 토안 asks 리한, 어제 운동했어요? Let's read together. 어제 운동했어요? One more time. 어제 운동했어요? 리한 answers. 아니요. 비가 많이 와서 안 했어요. 아니요. 비가 많이 와서 안 했어요. Let's check the meaning. 어제, yesterday. 운동했어요. 운동하다 is the base form. 운동하다 means to exercise, but 운동했어요, had, expresses the past tense. 운동했어요, it means did you exercise? 어제 운동했어요, it means did you exercise yesterday? 아니요, no. 비가 많이 와서 비가 오다 to rain. 비가 와서 because it rained. That means okay. And 비가 많이 와서 because it was raining heavily. 비가 많이 와서 because it was raining heavily. 안 했어요. I didn't exercise because it was raining heavily. 비가 많이 와서 is used to express the reason why he didn't exercise yesterday. Let's study 어서 in this conversation. 토안 asks 리안, 겨울을 왜 안 좋아해요? 겨울을 왜 안 좋아해요? 너무 추워서 안 좋아해요. 너무 추워서 안 좋아해요. Let's check the meaning. 겨울 means winter. 왜 means why. 안 means not, right? 안 means negative. Not or no. 좋아해요 means like. So 겨울을 왜 안 좋아해요? It means why don't you like the winter? 겨울을 왜 안 좋아해요? Why don't you like the winter? Brian answers. 너무 추워서 춥다 is base form, right? 춥다 cold. 추워서 because it's cold. 너무 추워서. Because it's too cold. 너무 추워서. Because it's too cold. 안 좋아해요. I don't like it. 안 좋아해요. I don't like it. I don't like it because it's too cold. 또한 asks 수로 오늘 기분이 어때요? 오늘 기분이 어때요? 수로 answers 날씨가 시원해서 시원해서 시원하다 means cool, right? 시원하다, cool. 하다 change to 해서 날씨가 시원해서 because the weather is cool. 기분이 좋아요. I feel good. 기분 means mood or feeling. 기분이 좋아요. It means I feel good. 날씨가 시원해서 because the weather is cool. Let's read one more time. 오늘 기분이 어때요? 날씨가 시원해서 기분이 좋아요. Now let's study a drop. We studied before. We just simply review one more time. Review it one more time. A drop. When the final vowel in a stem like this. 예쁘다, 예뻐. When the final vowel in a stem meets also, for example, meets another vowel like another vowel. In that case, this is dropped. For example, repeat after me. Pretty. 예쁘다. 예쁘다. 예쁘. 예쁘. The final vowel in a stem is and then also is added. So meets in that case, this is dropped and then also only used. So repeat after me. 예뻐서. 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 It means because it's pretty. 어서 means because. 예뻐서 because it's pretty. You don't need to completely understand this process, but you need to know why 예쁘다 changed to 예뻐서, not 예쁘어서. We say 예뻐서. Memorize it, please. 예쁘다, 예뻐서. 예쁘다, 예뻐서. With one more example. 기쁘다. Repeat after me. 기쁘다. 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 It means glad or pleased or happy. Okay. 기쁘. The final vowel is and then 어서. So meets in that case, this dropped. So 기뻐서. Repeat after me. 기뻐서. 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 It means because I am glad. Because I'm glad. 기뻐서. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. Okay, please review what we learned and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thank you. 감사합니다.